How to create account of Fian app. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can create account of Fian app. So to create account of Fian app, you have to go to your Play Store or Apple Store. Then you have to download the Fian app on your device. So here you have to search for the Fian app. After that, you have to install the Fian app on your device. So the Fian app is the video editor and maker app. So here you have to install this app and wait until the installation has been successfully completed on your device. Once you have downloaded the Fian app on your device, you have to go and open up the Fian app on your device. After that, you have to allow the all access of Fian editor app and you have to go for the allow option. So here on the bottom, you can see the profile option. You have to go for that. So to log in into your account or create the account on your Fian app, you have to go for the login and register option. So if you have already an account, you have to go for the sign in option. If you don't have the account in Fian editor app, you have to go for the sign up option, which is on the top right. You have to go for that. And here you can also log in through your third party login with your Facebook, Google, Twitter, or any other app. So here you have to log in with your Facebook or any app that you want to. So go for the agree terms and policy here. So here you can see that I have been logging to my Fian app account. So if you want to use your Fian app, you have to go for your home page, and on your home page you can see the plus icon and you have to go for the got it. So if you want to get a new project, you have to click on the new project. So you can upgrade your Fian Pro to unlock unlimited project. So you can edit your photo or video up to only 100. So here you have to go for the edit option and choose the one of the photo or video from your gallery. After that, here you can edit your photo and videos from here. So this is the process how you can create your account and how you can use your Fian app. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.